Basic video of how many fixed connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the minifix screw. Fix the minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the minifix housing. Make sure the minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its home. The arrow in the minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between minifix screw is unlocked and lock. Pick board 2 and 3 and attach the drawer slider. Make sure the holes are aligned and tighten it. Pick boards 7 and 8 and attach the slider rail. Make sure the holes are aligned and tighten it. Pick board 10 and attach the handle with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 2 to board 1. Attach board 3 to board 1. Attach board 4 to board 1. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 5 flat on 2, 3, and 4 boards, ensuring the dowels are properly inserted in its hole and tighten it. Attach the tapered metal legs. Install legs with an outward taper for better stability. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Carefully turn the table upright. Pick boards 7 and 8 and attach it to board 6. Carefully flip the unit and tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 9 to boards 6, 7, and 8. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Flip the unit. Attach board 10 to board 6, 7, and 8. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Insert the drawer and make sure the rails are properly aligned and parallel on the both side while inserting. Your product is ready to use.